Hello teachers, today I will talk about my business report of the Education Health Cloud Smart Tool for school to track the students' attendance and healthy data easily. And my name is Zhang Kaicheng, my student ID is 2201443. And this is the business descriptions. So now we talk about what problem do we see. Schools spend hours to check in the attendance and healthy record, and the Education Health Cloud fix the problem by the automating attendance with the face recognition and tracking health use the wearable device and storing data safely in the cloud so it is very safe. Why we use cloud? Because we use cloud computing because it grows very easily. They add 100 students, you don't need to buy a new computers and smart AI. AWS face recognition works fast and we never lose the data. The data is very safe. And AWS service we use. Now we talk about here's how AWS helps us. First, the EC2 runs the teacher's dashboard. It's like a website, and the RDS stores students' names, classes, and healthy data. S3 save the photos, like photos saved in cloud, and IoT Chrome collect the helps numbers from the smartwatch, and the last one record the face to name for attendance. And this is cost estimation. And now we show how does this work. Task 1, VPC network setup. We use this VPC to span two available zones with public subnet or private subnet, an internet gateway for external access, and a net gateway for security private subnet conversion. And the task 2 EC2 instance config. This instance is running in US East 1B with a public IP accessed via HTTP SSH through this each security group, like these pictures. Task 3, the website feature development. And this picture shows the successful connect to the EC2 instance using the SSH keys, its names, ZKZ key phrase, and the configuration instance is running scheduled to releasing systems updates. The step 2, check the default storage allocations using the df-h command. Show the load with 24% usage. Establish a baseline for last storage expansion. Step 3, formatted the newly attended EBS follows to the ext3 field systems, preparing it for data storage. And step 4, correct a directory and mouse to the EBS value and update it to enable automatic mounting at the board. And the capacity is 99 GB. The step 5 wrote the test, and this one covers successful read and write access to mount storage. Step C, this is our website page. And task 4, instance scaling and monitoring. Terminations protection is enabled for attendance like this one to prevent the accidental deletions, and the instance type is upgraded from both to this doubling vCPUs and memory. The upgraded instance runs Amazon Linux 2 with kernel this now further active at this time. And task 5, storage expansions and backup. So we use the 100 GB EBS volumes is created in this one with enable configure for the 100 or 3000 IOPS. And the step to the volumes is tracked to the EC2 instance in this one using device names. A snapshot of the 8 GB volumes is initial lay about DKCDE snapshot pending explanation under the standard storage tiers. And task 6, database integration. The security group DKC group 2 is created under the VPC. This one allows the MySQL traffic from the source security groups, and MySQL RDS instance is being created. An instance types showing this one's creating status, but it's running now. Also, SSH terminal is established to connect the EC2 to the RDS database is running for servers. Is sure EC2 is connect, and the Python code connects to the MySQL database. And this is my code. And task 7 cost. So I created AMA names ZKC image, and the target group is this one. Names ZKCTG, and the load balancers providing high availability and description traffic to the backend instance, and the auto source scene groups